Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel Areeka Tech. Today our topic is chatbots. What is chatbot? I will tell you what is chatbot, but before this you have to like my video, subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. So let's start. Chatbot, a computer program designed to stimulate conversation with human user to especially over the internet. The rise of messenger apps. June 2015 Telegram, Kik, Messenger, Scoop, Line. The race of chatbots integration on messaging platforms is on. To be more specific, Facebook Messenger, Slack, Telegram, text messages, iMessages, and any major chat products. Why use chatbots? Let's explain. Messaging is the new browser and bots are the new websites. Development cost, cheap, expensive, command line, chatbot, website, mobile app. The most cheap is command line, then chatbot, then website, and in the last mobile app is deploying updates. The most slow is command line, then chatbot. The most fast is chatbot, then website, and the slow is mobile app. Push notification command line is so slow, then website is slow, then command line, then chatbot, and then mobile app. Chatbot advantages: simple to develop, is conference notification, integrates with team. How does it work? User makes a request analyzed by artificial intelligence, user info taken into account, history preferences, real-time response, conversational strategy, interactions, personalization. Two types of chatbots based on rules, based on artificial intelligence. Basic chatbot components: lexical input, natural language processor, context analyzer, decision maker, response generator, lexical output. Traditional chatbot: lexical input, natural language processor, context analyzer, decision maker, response generator, lexical output, and morphemic analyzer, search engine templates, taxonomy analyzer, knowledge base. Chatbot with machine learning. Natural language processes sentence to vector converter, context analyzer, decision maker, response generator, deep learning model. Deep learning model RWN sentence to sentence knowledge per user to context memory. First generation chatbot capabilities and challenges. Intent recognition classification, the ability to understand the intent from human ambiguous language. Advanced intent recognition challenge: the city councilman refused the demonstrators a permit because they feared violence. What does the word they refer to here? The councilman or the demonstrator? What if instead of feared we wrote advocated? Identity zone here. When AI can't determine what it refers to in a sentence, it's hard to believe that it will take over the world. Intent recognition training model guideline. Intents should be different enough to help the ML disambiguate better. Good pizza versus bad pizza are not two different intents. The intent here would be pizza quality. Good and bad will be entity rating. Single keywords are not useful. Unique sentences are super helpful semantically and synonym rich. Do word sentence construction in different intent models with falsely give high prediction score for all intents. Entity recognition and ER, the ability to automatically recognize entity meaning from ambiguous language. Despite all improvements in ML, the problem of accurate entity recognition is far from being solved. Main effort currently is directed to find approaches to reduce the annotation labor, semi-supervised NER. Entity recognition NER example with OpenNLP model. The other day at work I saw start person Larry Ellison and at start building HQ600 and test the other day at work I saw sentiment analysis, emotional intelligence evaluates subjective patterns and expressions of sentiment within textual content, usually identifies if expression was positive, negative, mixed, or neutral. Requires a high degree of supervised ML on big data corpus used in computer. Probabilistic parser. Probabilistic parsing is using dynamic programming algorithm to compute the most likely parts of a given sentence given a statistical model of the syntactic structure of language, parse any address, name, number, date, or any unstructured text in useful components. Probabilistic parser defining example. First Tuesday of October value. Movie usher board movie usher. What is Movie Usher Board? Movie Usher Board will be your usher in the world of cinema. It will help you to get your favorite movie. Also, it can recommending movie to you based on your mood or genres, and it will help you to get information about movies. By the way, it is available now on Messenger. Scenario questions. 90% of your time on mobile is spent on email and messaging platforms. I would love to back teams that build stuff for places where the consumers hang out. But why make a board? Sure, it looks cool. It's using some super advanced technology, but why should someone spend their time and energy on it? It's huge opportunity. Why chatbots are such a big opportunity? You are probably thinking, why does anyone care about chatbots? They look like simple text-based services. Great question. People are now spending more time in messaging apps than in social media, and that is a huge turning point. Messaging apps are the platforms of the future, and bots will be how their users sell all sorts of services. Logically, if you want to build a business online, you want to build where the people are. That place is now inside messenger apps. That is why chatbots are such a big deal. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you have any questions, you will ask in comment box. Keep exploring. If you like my videos, so please press the like button, subscribe my channel for more informative video, and share it with your friends. Tata, Allah Hafiz.